Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn. Feast your eyes on the 2025 Nissan GT-R R38, the latest evolution of Godzilla. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of Nissan's dedication to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. Let's talk design. The R38 takes the GT-R's iconic DNA and catapults it into the future. With a sharper front fascia, redesigned LED headlights, and an aggressive yet aerodynamic body, this car screams speed even when standing still. The wide stance and sculpted lines aren't just for looks, they enhance aerodynamics and cooling efficiency, ensuring peak performance at all times. And those 21-inch forged alloy wheels, pure perfection. Under the hood, the R38 packs a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine paired with an advanced hybrid electric system, producing a staggering 800 horsepower. Nissan's engineers have seamlessly integrated electric motors to deliver instant torque and unprecedented acceleration. With an updated ATTES all-wheel drive system and a dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, the R38 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. And yes, it's still as exhilarating as ever. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge tech. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.8-inch infotainment display keep you connected, while the premium leather and carbon fiber accents remind you this is no ordinary sports car. Advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Nissan's latest ProPilot 2.0 semi-autonomous system ensure you stay safe while enjoying the thrill. The 2025 GT-R R38 isn't just a successor, it's a revolution. Nissan has redefined what a supercar can be, blending sustainability with raw power. It's not just about speed, it's about the experience, the legacy, and the future. So, what do you think of the 2025 Nissan GT-R R38? Is it worthy of carrying the GT-R badge? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car content here on MVP Auto.